Welcome back to Creative Casa. Today we are diving into the often overlooked area of our kitchen, the upper cabinet space. Transforming this often neglected area can add a touch of personality and style to your kitchen. Join me as we explore creative and practical decor ideas to make the most of this space. Let's get started. Consider installing floating shelves above your cabinets to display decorative items like beautiful plates, glass covers, or even a collection of colorful cookbooks. Experiment with different highlights and arrangements to create an eye-catching display. Bring life into your kitchen by adding artificial or real plants above your cabinets. Consider trialing vines or potted herbs for a fresh and organic touch. Use stylish planters or woven baskets to enhance the aesthetics appeal. Install LED strips lights or battery operated puck lights or illuminate the space above your cabinets. These not only add a cozy ambience but also highlights your decor pieces. Experiment with different lighting colors to match your kitchen overall theme. Utilize decorative basket or bin to organize items like dish towels, cookbooks, or kitchen gadgets. Opt for materials and colors that complement your kitchen decor for a cozy look. Create a stunning backdrop by adding a tile backsplash above your cabinets. Choose bold pattern or color to make a statement. Peel and stick tiles are a budget friendly and easy to install option for a quick kitchen makeover. Hang personalized design or artwork that reflect your personality or showcase your favorite quote related to cooking and home. Consider DIY project for a custom touch such as hand printed sign or framed prints. Hunt for vintage or antique items to display above your cabinet. Added to touch a nostalgia to your kitchen. Add a touch of glamour by incorporating mirrored panels or tile above your cabinets. Mirror can visually expand the space and reflect lights, making your kitchen feel brighter and more spacious. Consider antique mirror tiles for a vintage vibes or sleek modern mirrors for a contemporary look. If you are a wine enthusiast, turn the space above your cabinets into a stylish wine rack. Showcase your favorite bottles in an attractive and accessible arrangements. Opt for wine racks with decorative elements that your kitchen's themed for a functional and visually appealing display. Bring textures to your kitchen by appealing peel and stick textures, wallpaper, or fabrics to the space above your cabinets. This add visual interest without paints. Choose patterns that complement your kitchen decor, whether it's a texture for a minimalistic look or a bold pattern for a statement. Infuse your kitchen with sentimental value by creating a personalized photo collage above your cabinets. Showcase family memories, travel adventures, or even your favorite recipes captured in photo. Frame the picture in a cohesive style, such as matching frames or a gallery wall arrangement. The possibilities for decorating the space above your kitchen cabinets are truly endless, whether you prefer a sleek and modern look or a cozy and vintage atmosphere. There's decorating ideas to suit your style. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share this video to stay updated with the latest trend and design inspiration for your kitchen space. Thanks for turning into Creative Casa. Happy decorating.